Okay, so we put this in here, and now we're going to clear out the paint that's in the machine. And this is how we clear out the existing paint from the striping machine. And you only really need to do this if you're using a waterborne paint. Solvent paint you can leave in the machine, but if you leave this water-based paint for a little bit more than a day, you run the risk of clogging your hoses, and then you get on a job site and you're having a lot of problems. So I just keep it simple. It's a little more time consuming, but I always clear out the machine after every job just to be sure. And ever since I started doing that, I stopped getting a lot of clogs in the machine. So this is the paint water that we're clearing out. And then we got that going for a little bit. Okay. Now that we have the paint cleared out, take this out. And then we're going to grab our clean water bucket. Okay. This is for the final step. Okay. So we have our clean water. We got our secret sauce. Rain down that secret sauce. Perfect. Come over here. Grab our hose. Put it inside. And now we just flush out the semi-dirty water until we get clean water into our trash bucket. You let this run, and then as it goes, you'll start hearing the air pockets from when we transferred the tube from here to here. You'll start to hear the air pockets come through, and that's how you'll know, and you'll start to see the water getting clearer and clearer. How we move from this water to the nice clean water. See, you can hear it? It's going through, and you can hear the change of the hose. And now the pulse is changing. So that means now we're getting into our new water. So as you can see, the water is a lot more clear. And then with the secret sauce that we put in there, it's helped breaks up all the paint in the hose. I run this for a little bit longer, just to make sure it's all clear. And then I let go of the trigger. I let the machine have some pressure. Turn it off. We're done. And that's how you change, and that's how you clean out your paint machine.